No, the first question is, why game engine? A game engine is a software development program or environment used originally to develop video games. Now, a game engine can also be used for visualization, as with the development of digital twins, collaboration, and more. The features of a game engine may include animation tools, artificial intelligence, physics, and collision engines, audio engines, and more. Game engines work by laying the framework that allows a user to create something, like a video game or a digital twin, more easily than if they had to make it from scratch. The framework provided varies from engine to engine, but game engines typically include a 2D or 3D rendering engine. Is it possible to create games without using a game engine? Yes. But you can't.
Surprise, motherfucker.
No matter how professional you are, you cannot handle the development of a game engine alone. There are different game engines. We can categorize the desired features using a table. There is no such thing as making games without code. Visual scripting, whether Scratch, Unreal Blueprints, or anything else, is still programming. But there are engines you can create games easier. Anyway, let's go into a deep analysis of the main features of every engine you'll use during your game development and compare them to see which engine is better for you. Starting with coding, which is the most important part. Unity uses C#. Unreal Engine, C++, CryEngine, C#, C++, and Lua. Godot Engine offers 5 gameplay programming languages: GDScript, C#, Visual Script, and, via its GD native technology, C and C++. There are more community-supported languages, but these are the official ones. You can use multiple languages in a single project. C# is easier to learn for a beginner, especially someone who has never written a single line before. Visual Code: for those of you who don't want to get your hands messy with writing code from the start, you can use Visual Code to create games. These engines support Visual Code. And one of the most important part of choosing a game engine is its communication environment and training. Find an engine that has good documentation and more tutorials. Unity is one of these engines. Choose an engine that has a bigger marketplace for assets and plugins, because every developer needs plugins that will help you to create better games much faster. If you plan to create a game, you need to think ahead and plan how to save time and money while developing the game, especially if you are creating a bigger game that has a storyline, quests, missions, boss fights, and so on. It's always better to buy some of those systems and implement them in your game. The best part: getting a job in a game studio, if that is your goal. There is some particular studio you like, I suggest you look them up and see which engine they use to create their games and learn that engine. Result: the engine is just a tool. You should improve your skills every day and be sure to learn a programming language. And according to the type of games you want to make, choose your engine. 2D games are better with Unity. Realistic games are better with Unreal and CryEngine. Graphics should not be the main issue because these engines support very high quality. Graphics engines are important for big companies, not for solo developers or small teams. And after all, every engine has its own problems and none of them are perfect. It all depends on you.